got this nice water boiler unit. I get quite a few of these each year, so I'm really curious to know exactly how much money I can make off this thing in scrap. There's not very many parts off of this that you can resell, although I have done it in the past. There's a circular motor up here that you can test and check out, see if you want to resell that, but I find it doesn't sell very well. Other than that, just a lot of brass and copper. So let's get into it, guys. Scrap this guy out and take it all apart. I'm going to do a full scrap, but normally I don't do a full scrap, but because there's a few hard parts to get at, I usually just throw in with shreddable steel. But I'll take the whole thing apart, see exactly how much money I can get from this thing. The shop did give me a whole bunch of copper on the same day, you know, from the job that they took out of someone's house. I won't be adding this to the total, but that's a nice little pile right there. Thought I'd show you. It's pretty good. Nice contact. All right, let's get into it. Pretty basic tools I'm going to be using. Robertson Phillips bit, and you want a drill, screwdrivers, something to cut the wires, and you want a pair of pliers to undo all these nuts. that is it, guys. What do you think about that scrap out? Let me know in the comments section below. If you think it's worth it, let me know. If you think it's a waste of time, which I doubt because it's pretty good non-ferrous metal here. But if you think it's a waste of time, let me know that as well, because I do get a lot of these each year, and I've kind of brought it down to an art. Like, I know exactly what I want out of these boilers and what I don't. But this one, I just totally went all out and I scrapped every little piece of non-ferrous metal out of this thing. Hopefully you guys liked the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next video.